Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Manila. Please be informed that your arrival will be at NAIA Terminal 2. The time now is 44 minutes past 11 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Ferdinand Lopez, First Officer Michael Te, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. And for the passenger traveling with infant and position and infant life vest and infant seatbelt, please return it to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalalapag lang po natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila. Tayo po ay patungo na Air Terminal 2 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Ang oras ngayon ay 15 minuto bago ang ganap na alas 12 ng hapon. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang eroplano ay hindi pa ganap ng ito at kayo ay nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment.
Dear guests for the flight deck, this is as a temporary stop. Please remain seated until the advance belt sign has been switched off. Thank you.
At bago po kayo bumabati, nasa inyo na po lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan ng kayo mapagsilbihan at inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia, ni Captain Ferdinand Lopez, o ng Official Michael Te at lahat ng aming mga kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. At para sa mahal naming panauhin na may dalang sanggol at nabigyan ng infant seatbelt at life vest, mangyari ibalik ang mga ito sa mga cabin crew bago po kayo bumaba. Maraming salamat po. And dear guests, once again for your information, this is just a temporary stop. May we request everyone to please remain seated and fasten your seatbelts securely. Thank you.